So in the last video, we created this design in Photoshop, and in today's video, we will be creating a beautiful mockup for it. By the way, you can download this project file or template from the link in the video's description. It is absolutely for free. Now let's jump to the video and get started. Okay, first of all, open your design in Photoshop, unlock the background layer and convert it into a smart object. Now press Ctrl-Alt-I to open image size dialog box. Here you can see the width and height of your document. Remember it because we will be using it in a moment. Cancel it for now. Select the rectangle tool and click anywhere on the canvas. Now put the values right here. In my case it is 1920 by 1080. Hit OK. It will create a rectangle. Now select the move tool and position it to the center. Go to the property panel. By the way, if you are not able to see it, go to Windows and then make sure this option is checked. Increase its roundness from here. Let's increase its roundness to about 50. Drag this layer down. Right click on this layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. Now open any browser that you like and take a screenshot of it by pressing Windows plus print screen button on your keyboard. Go to the screenshot location and drag and drop the image into the Photoshop. Scale it and then confirm it. Next, select the rectangle tool and make selection on its top area. Click on this icon to create a clipping mask. Right click on it and choose Create Clipping Mask. Now in order to put your own text, first of all we need to remove the old one. So to do this, let's zoom in a little bit. Make sure this layer is active, not the layer mask. Make sure this layer is active. Pick the brush tool, click here and with the help of eyedropper tool select this color. Now as you can see, we cannot brush on this area. This is because the layer is smart object. So right click on it and choose Rasterize Layer. Now as you can see, we can paint on it and we can remove it. Select the type tool, change the color to white, click here and type your text. Confirm it and move it to the right place. Also drop down its opacity to about 50%. Now as you can see, the web page design is cutting off. So select the layer and drag it down with the help of move tool. Next, select all of these layers, right click on it and choose Convert to Smart Object. Let's rename it Web Page. Duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl J. Drag it down and let's call it Background. Let's hide this layer for a moment. Make sure this layer is active. Press Ctrl T to open Transform tool and scale it. Now create a solid color adjustment layer on top of it. Pick a white color and change its opacity to about 70%. Now select this layer, unhide it and press Ctrl T. Let's scale it down just like so. Right click on it and choose Blending option. In the layer style menu, click on Drop Shadow. Blend mode is Multiply. Click here and pick a dark bluish color. Opacity is 55%. Angle is 145 degree. Distance is 50 pixel and the size is 70 pixel. You can also play with these settings. Hit OK when you are happy. Now the last thing that we need to do is to create the reflection. So to do this, create a gradient adjustment layer. Click here and select this black and white gradient. Select this point and change its location to 50. Now select this one and change its location also to 50. Click here to create another point. Now change its color to black. And then hit OK. Hit OK again. Change its angle to 45 and check the tether option to remove some of the bandages. And then hit OK. Now change its blend mode to Linear Dodge Aid. And rename it Reflection. Now as you can see, it is affecting everything. So right click on it and choose Create Clipping Mask. It will limit the selected layer only on the layer beneath it. Also drop down its fill to about 10%. Double click on it. Now as you can see, I can change its position and I can also change its direction. So there we have. We can also change the image. Just double click on this layer. It will open a new document. Now double click on this layer and here you can replace your design. Just drag and drop the image into the Photoshop. Confirm it. Close the document and save it. Close this one and save it. And Photoshop will update everything for you. You can also blur the background. Select the layer, go to Filter, Blur and choose Gaussian Blur. Blur it about 30 pixels and then hit OK. And there we have. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Hit the like button if you like this video, subscribe to the channel, also ring the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I post a new video. I'll be catch you in my next one. Till then, peace.